Living and non-living things. Hey Dodo. Hey Gia. Gia, what is living things? Animals, birds and human beings are called living things. Do you know that plants are also living things? Oh! Dodo, do you know how can we identify living things? No, Gia. Living things can breathe, move, grow, eat food, feel and respond to changes around them. They can also give birth to young ones. Living things grow. All living things grow with time. A seed grows into a seedling and then into a tree. Living things breathe. All living things need air to breathe. They have different organs for breathing. Like humans breathe through nose, fishes breathe through gills, and plants breathe through pores. Living things need food. All living things need food to get energy, grow, and stay healthy. Plants make their own food in the presence of air, water, and sunlight. Some animals eat only plants, while some animals eat the flesh of other animals. Human beings eat food obtained from both plants and animals. Living things can feel. All living things can feel things around them. They can feel if a thing is hot, cold, rough, or smooth. When we feel things, we are able to react. On a sunny day, we feel very hot, and so we prefer to stay indoors and switch on the fans and coolers. Similarly, animals also react to things happening around them. A dog barks at stranger. Plants also react to changes in their surroundings. A touch-me-not plant folds its leaves when touched. Many plants feel the sunlight and grow towards it. Animals such as butterflies, ants, and cockroaches can feel the changes around them. Living things move on their own. All living things move from one place to another in search of food and shelter. Animals walk or run with the help of their four legs. Human beings have two legs for walking or running. Birds fly with the help of their wings. Living things give birth to young ones. All living things give birth to young ones of their own kind. A human being gives birth to a baby and a cow gives birth to a calf. All living things have a fixed lifetime during which they grow, give birth to young ones, become old and then die. I hope Dodo now you got it very well. Yes, Gia, I understood. Gia, can you tell me about some features of non-living things? Yes, why not? Features of non-living things. All man-made things are non-living things such as toys, pencils, pens, chalks, chairs and table. The features of non-living things are they cannot grow, they cannot breathe, they cannot feel, they do not need food, they do not give birth to young ones, They do not move on their own. Living things need food, air, water, soil, and sunlight, without which they cannot live. This is because living things breathe air. All living things drink water. Plants absorb water from soil with help of their roots. Plants need sunlight to prepare their food. Animals, human beings, and birds depend on plants for their food. Plants need soil to grow. If the soil is not fertile, then plants cannot grow, which will lead to a shortage of food for all animals and human beings. So, Dodo, now you easily identify what is living and non-living.
Oh, yes, Jia. So, friends, keep practice and learn more. Bye bye.
See you soon.